Hey everyone, so this is one of my first videos based on all the parts I showed on one of my previous videos where I showed a bunch of printers, PCs, monitors and whatnot. Now all of this stuff here is pretty much video game stuff. I picked all this stuff up from some guy who does repairs and whatnot, and he just had this stuff lying around, so got disk drives and a couple of motherboards, some peripheral boards here encased in metal. So I'm gonna start scrapping this stuff and tell you what I would do with some of this stuff, and at the end of it I'll make a few piles and see how much money there is in all this stuff. So these little guys here, they're like little card readers found in some of the older PlayStation 3 consoles. So if you just pop out this metal casing, pretty easy to take out. You'll see there's a nice decent peripheral board in here. You see we have some tantalum chips here, a few monolithic, some IC chips. We have these card reader slots, and look at if you look at the edge here, all the pins, they're all gold, and all the gold goes all the way until here. So the pins are quite long, some good gold. So for someone who collects gold for processing and whatnot, these are pretty good. Usually these, I just put them in the peripheral board pile. And if I'm not too lazy, I'll remove the tantalum and small monolithics, but there's not much on this board that I use personally, so I just usually just scrap them. So I have a few of these, so let me just pop these out quickly. And they go pretty easy, nothing too complicated. With the metal casing, it just pops out pretty easy. And like I said, these are considered peripherals, so they're worth about $1.50 a pound. So there's some value if you're not into the whole refining for gold and whatnot. I don't do that personally because I don't have the time. And also there's a whole learning curve to it to learn what to use and how to use them with how much amount of chemicals and whatnot. So I'm not too keen on that stuff.